Setting up accurate tax rates on your point-of-sale device is essential for ensuring compliance with local tax regulations and providing transparent pricing to your customers. Whether you're operating a retail shop, restaurant, or service-based business, correctly configuring tax settings helps streamline your sales process and simplifies end-of-day reporting. Let's walk through setting up taxes and fees on your Clover device. To begin, locate and open the Setup app on your Clover home screen. Tap the Taxes and Fees tab on the left-hand side. Then, on the main screen, tap Taxes and Fees. Tap the green Add button below. We'll begin by adding the tax name. The drop-down below will allow you to select either tax percentage or a flat fee. For this example, we're going to select tax percentage. Enter the tax rate. Choose whether or not this tax rate will be added to items by default. Finally, tap Save. Taxes and fees can also be set up on your Clover dashboard. To begin, sign into your Clover account via clover.com. Once signed in, click on the gear on the upper right-hand side. Click View All Settings. Under Business Operations, click on Taxes and Fees. Within the Rates and Fees tab, click on Add Tax Rate or Flat Fee. We then add the tax or fee name. For this example, we will add a flat fee called Service Fee. Enter the dollar amount. Check the Default box to allow this fee to be added to any items with default taxes and fees turned on. Finally, click Save. Action complete. Thank you very much for watching.